Hi, welcome to mycutetoons with Jock. Today we're going to draw a unicorn dolphin, so follow along with me. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw the eye. So we're going to draw a big round circle, there we go, and a little line like so. And then we're going to draw another circle within this circle, great. And then two little circles as well. So there we go, perfect. And now we're going to draw the head. So with the head we're going to start roughly about here. I'm just going to make a mark there, and we're going to follow along maybe till there. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw. Oh, I just went past that. Okay, so that would be the round curve of the head, and then we're gonna draw the nose of our little dolphin. So a little nose like that, and from there we're gonna draw a little mouth, and we're gonna just color it in, right? And then the bottom part of the mouth, there we go, that's perfect. And now I think let's continue with the body. So what I'm going to do is we're going to draw a line down like so, and we're going to start here and we're going to draw another line like so, and that would be the rough shape of our dolphin's body. Then we're going to draw the tail. So we're going to draw a line like there, like so, and a shorter one, good. And then we're going to start from here and we're going to curve around and connect it, and then a little curvy line and connect it, that's perfect. And now for the flippers, or the side of our dolphin. So the side dolphin, I think it's called a dorsal fin. So let's see, we're going to make a line like so, and then we're going to go down like that, perfect. And then from this side you're going to draw a curvy line out, and you're going to bring it back and touch the dolphin there. Okay, great. Now let's draw the belly. Then we're going to go down like so, and we're going to connect it like that. And then from here we're going to make a little a round line like that, and it's going to connect there but about here. So then we're going to just follow through on it and right there, and there's the shape of our dolphin. And now the next thing we have to do is maybe draw the horn, because this is a unicorn dolphin. So let's do it. There's the horn, perfect. And we're going to draw two lines just to give it some texture. And then what else, maybe we can make a few hearts, maybe right here. There's a little heart for our dolphin, and there's another heart just a bit bigger, and then a smaller little heart. There we go. I think that looks great. What do you think? Now you can take the colors that you like and color in your own dolphin, and I'm sure it's going to look amazing. If you like drawing with me, click the like button and please subscribe to my channel. See you soon.